So as you can see from the table, there's been a new update, and it's really to do with the Neo 2, but the main thing was there's a new update, a new Fly update, which was the 1.21.4. There was an update on the RC2 as well, which was connected to the Neo 2. I didn't do anything obviously with my RCM3 because obviously I've done the update on the phone. There was no update at all on the RC Pro 2 controller as well. I did check the Mini 5 Pro. There was no update on that. So, Fly App, firmware update. So what I'm going to do in a moment, we're going to go outside and check out the Neo 2 because there's something on there, but it's more connected with the phone. See you in a mo. So I'm at my location. I've got my Neo 2, and what we're going to do first, we're going to get the phone out because that's where the two new things are anyway. I'm going to get the phone working. Having an iPhone, it doesn't cope very well in the heat, I must say. So I'm not going to hang about. Let's turn the drone on. We just wait till it connects up. So connect, join. Obviously making sure, guys, that you've done all the updates. If you haven't done that new update on the Fly app and also updated the drone itself, it's not going to work. So just remember, bear that in mind. Okay, I don't want that. Oh, reconnect. It's just disconnected. That's a good start, isn't it? And also, it's a bit windy. Can never get the perfect conditions, can you? Right. So I've just seen an image come up. Oh, it's done it again. It's disconnected. Join. Okay, don't know what that's all about. Right. We're doing a countdown now. Okay, it's gone back in. Okay, got that. Right. Okay, we can skip that. Skip the tutorial because. Right, so we got highlight slow-mo, so we're going to see what happens with that. Highlight slow mode. Right, start, after start task. Okay, so let's see what happens, eh? I'll just go over here a little bit. Okay, so this is what happens.
3, 2, unable to take off.
Right.
Aircraft in motion.
Yes, that was me. That was me. I had my fingers in the blades then. Do it again.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Right, I heard the bleep. Okay, so I'm not really sure what that's about. Oh, I see, it's a pull back down slow-mo. So that was it really. So it's just it's like a B-roll shot, isn't it? Okay, take another video. Let's see if I can. Okay, we got a dolly zoom. Let's do a dolly out. Let's do it this way. Let's see what it is. Right, we got the. Okay, I got it now. So it's doing its dolly thing. Oh, dolly in. Right, so that's supposed to be in slow-mo. So these are only like quick B-roll shots, I think. Okay, let's see if we can do another one. Pull back and down. Push up. Let's do a push up then. Oh, right, here we go. Off it goes. I'll be honest, guys, the only problem I have with an iPhone in this heat is the screen just blacks out. So anyway, we've done all that. We're going to come out of that now. Right, let's do the Helix. All right, let's see how that goes. Right, so it comes in apparently. That's pretty close. Just I think all it's going to do is just do a circle around me, isn't it? Oh no, maybe it's carrying on a bit more. Okay. Right, so that stopped that. Right, I can see now there's a distance thing. Right, I have to come over here a minute, guys, because my screen is getting darker. And that was 3 feet. Oh, I see. Right, let's do 7 feet.
Landing.
Okay. It wants to land. I think the reason why it wants to land is because of the power of the battery. And my phone, honestly, is red hot, guys. Yeah, low battery. Okay. I think we got the gist of it there, didn't we? So anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change my phone. Honestly, guys, is red hot now. And it'd be pointless me carrying on with this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to get the RC2 out and just see if there's any changes on that. So I think this update was more to do with the phone. But don't do it with an iPhone in this heat. Right. The screen save has worked straight away. So I don't know if that's been fixed yet, to be honest. But it comes straight on and it works straight away. But I've had that before. Anyway. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a couple of tests with the Neo 2. Now, I don't really need to have the Neo 2 facing me because I'm just going to... obviously, nothing's changed on here, guys. Okay. Right, we'll just go into QuickShots. Right. Let's see, we got the Helix here. Right. I think it's all to do with the phone, obviously, but we'll just have a quick check. Right, just draw a box around me. That's all the meters now, isn't it, eh? Let's do 4. Right, so 4 is obviously the minimal. We can come out of those to start that up.
2, 1.
And I've got a few flies. I need to get one of those Australian things that's got the things hanging down. That would be fantastic. I don't understand why we don't get that in Spain. Oh, all right, the drone's coming back because it's finished now. Okay, so we can come out of that. We go back into video. Okay, the other thing I want to try is the active track. Okay, so we got it on standard. Yeah, you're not going to get me running about, that's for sure. Right. I've just set the drone up on a little mission there around the back of me, as you can see on the screen. I'm just moving because it's so hot. It's just so hot. I had a guy comment me yesterday from New Zealand. Their winter's kicking in, so it's bizarre, isn't it? Different parts of the world and the weather is so different. Here we're only in June. We ain't even come into the hot months yet. Okay, let's just do another one while I'm walking about. I mean, that's all looking good, which is the main thing. Okay, I can stop that. He says, let's draw another box around me. Let's do point of interest. I always like doing that one. Let's do it anti-clockwise. I mean, looking at this, I don't think nothing else has changed. And to be quite honest, I haven't used the Neo 2 for ages. And it's nice getting it out again, to be honest. I've always loved this drone. Let's go clockwise, but a little bit slower. Okay. Yeah, I've always loved this drone. It's a fantastic drone, but you know my latest drone that I love now, and that's the Lito X1. But yeah, for a smaller drone, and obviously if you're into vlogging, This is the one to get. I'll tell you what we will do. We'll just stop that ammo. Come out of that. I'm just going to go into the obstacle avoidance. Okay, went straight out of that for some reason. But, right, so hang on, come on. Right, I just want to check everything there. Nifty, yep, optional. Let's have a look on the camera. It's all looking good. I'll just do one quick one for you guys. So we've got the new app there, which is the 121.4. We've got the latest firmware update, which is the 0700. So that's all done. I think, to be honest, I think that's about it. You're going to come in? Change drones. Right, I'm just testing out the screen save first. So the screen save thing hasn't been fixed. So that's, I did wonder. Oh, that would be too good to be true, wouldn't it? So yeah. So obviously there's going to be an update for the RC2 controller, and it's all obviously this was all related around the Neo 2. Unfortunately. But I just want to check with the app update. I'm still trying to get in. This is what wastes your time, really. This screen records stop insufficient system resources. Yeah. Right, I think it's going to work now. It's worked. Okay, I'm just connecting up the drone at the moment. This is the Mini 5 Pro. Just doing the firmware bit. It should just kick in straight away. Okay, so that's done. Right. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, so it's not... Oh, no, because sometimes it kicks in and sometimes it didn't, but it's kicked in. It's the screen's just blacked out at the moment. It's still blacked out at the moment. Now this is going to be interesting because I know a long time ago it was so slow, the RC2 control. At the moment I've got a black screen and I've still got a black screen, so it's done it anyway. It's in. That's the main thing. Right, I mean guys, you can skip this bit if you want, but to me I just wanted to see if anything's happened to the waypoints. Looking at this, it doesn't look very good at the moment, does it? I think that'll do. Right, so. Okay, so I've set it up. I've already pressed go. It's going to go off on one. As I've mentioned many times recently about the waypoint, especially on the Mini 5 Pro, keep our eye on it, guys. Because hopefully this update might rectify it all, but there's been a few people having issues with this waypoint mission thing. Okay, so it's looking good. It's looking good. It's gone off out on its so the drone's flying backwards, which is good. It's looking good. The only other problem it's also been having is it will say it's detected something and stop. But at the moment, but we're only on number 2. It's looking good. I always try to be positive. I get a couple of people saying, "Oh, Shaun, you're always so negative with the DJI drones." I'm not. It just annoys me. These drones are supposed to do what they're supposed to do. These guys that do all this work, they're supposed to be highly trained technicians, and I'll be honest, what drones can do these days is amazing. But at the moment, it's all looking good. I'm on number 3 already, so I'm happy with that as well. And also, the point of interest is looking far better than I've been having. Oh, so there we go. We've got the obstacle detected. Okay, so that's such a shame because I was hoping that they rectified that, but they haven't. I'm going to stay start point again and we'll just see if we can do it again. so annoying. But that's the other issue that they've been having, is where you fly a mission, sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. So it does look like now that the update that we've had today, especially on the DJI Fly App, is more to do with the Neo 2 using the phone. Don't use an iPhone in the heat. Okay, so it's off again. Now, to me, it looks like the point of interest has definitely been resolved. That's the first thing. It's just this, when it stops mid-flight. This is so annoying because there's nothing up there. I think the only things that I've been talking with other people is to do with the light, the sunlight. I mean, it's really bright today, obviously, and it's just done it again, isn't it? So the summary, it looks like the update was more related to the Neo 2, and that's to do with your phone. Now, I didn't try out the RCN3 because I didn't see the point of that, really, because it's more to do with the actual app that you could connect there. I will look at it in the week. Guys, it's so hot at the moment. I usually go out really early, but because I saw this morning, I thought I'd better go out and make one. Not ideal conditions, even though I know some of you are saying, oh, sure, this is the perfect it's not. It's so hot, guys. And as you can see with my phone, I've got an iPhone, and it's renowned that when it gets too hot, the screen blacks out. So, yeah, get another phone, they say, but I'm not. And so I suppose the whole point of this video, do you really need to update? And I think personally, not. Because that update, even though it said it sorted out other things, which I couldn't see at all, it hadn't sorted out the RC2 controller, it hasn't sorted out the waypoints thing. Okay, so I could have taken out my other drone, especially a Fighter 360, which I will do later on in the week. But at the moment, it's all related around the Neo 2 with a phone. And I don't use the phone much, to be honest. So anyway, so that's up to you guys. But I checked it out. Everything else I could see was working fine, except for the usual bugs that we've got there at the moment. So, DJI, is going to be another update soon, hopefully with the Mini 5 Pro. But anyway, as always, this has been another video, Ray. Sooner!